What?
You look super familiar.
What? I came up to you because I thought you looked super familiar. Now I look familiar. How do I look familiar?
You're, oh my god, you're Vitalik. Oh my god, this is so crazy. It's so random.
I came to ask for your panties.
What?
I came to ask you for your panties.
Why?
Because you want to be in my video? We're actually filming a video right now.
Where?
Right there.
Sure, why not?
Wait, really? Just like that? I'm asking her for her panties. Is that a normal question to ask a girl? Do you wanna?
I think so.
Yeah, you think she should give me her panties?
Off or for her to remove them?
No, just give me the panties. I just want her panties, nothing else from her. It's reasonable?
Reasonable.
We got another one. Hey! Oh! I'm trying to get your panties.
Are you serious?
What do you mean, am I serious? I'm serious. What's wrong with me getting your panties? What color are you wearing? Can you at least tell me that?
Okay, this is so wrong, okay?
Why? What's the reason?
I don't know you.
You didn't wash them today? Or?